Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're going to talk about a must-have accessory for your Xiaomi Mijia ones, Roborock S5 S50 Max, or Mi Robot Vacuum Cleaner. This Hepa filter and spare parts kit is an essential addition to your cleaning arsenal, and we're going to tell you why. First of all, it's important to note that this kit is compatible with a range of models, including the Xiaomi Mi Robot Vacuum Cleaner first generation, ones, Roborock S4, S5, S6, E4, E5, and many more. But before you make a purchase, be sure to check the specific product model number on the nameplate at the bottom of your device to confirm compatibility. Now, let's talk about what's included in this kit. You'll get a pair of Hepa filters, which we recommend replacing every 3 to 6 months for optimal performance. These filters are highly effective at capturing dust and allergens, ensuring that your home is clean and healthy. In addition, the kit also includes a pair of side brushes made from durable ABS material. These brushes are designed not to scratch your floors or furniture, and they're perfect for collecting hair and debris with ease. And let's not forget about the main brush, which is recommended to be replaced every 6 to 12 months. This floating structure brush is designed for deep cleaning, ensuring that no dirt or dust is left behind. So why should you consider purchasing this Hepa filter and spare parts kit? Well, it's a cost-effective way to keep your robot vacuum cleaner in top shape. By regularly replacing these essential parts, you'll prolong the life of your device and maintain its cleaning performance. And remember, your satisfaction is our top priority. If you encounter any issues with our products, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. We're here to provide you with the best customer service possible. So, if you're ready to give your robot vacuum cleaner the care it deserves, click the link in the description to get your hands on this Hepa filter and spare parts kit today. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful reviews and tips.